folks, it's Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. It's Thursday, May 26th, and I just wanted to go over real quick my Darn Good Yarn month of May subscription box. So this month it actually came in a box. That's cool. It was coming in a bag before, and I did not order the extra skein, so I have the subscription where you get 3 little cakes included. And yeah, so let's talk about the yarn. And it doesn't have that strong chemical smell that it was having last year. So this one is triple twist DK weight silk yarn. The theme is Mexico, so they did a Cinco de Mayo theme, which is probably why they did it all colorful. And it also has sparkles. I don't know, there you could see the sparkles a bit better. This is the information on the yarn. I know there's a little bit of glare there. So what that says is that it's categorized as a weight 3-ply DK yarn. They recommend 4mm US, I think 6 knitting needles and a 5mm crochet hook or an H8. It's made from recycled silk. It's 100% recycled silk. It's only hand wash, lay flat to dry. And it's 50 grams or 110 yards, 1.8 ounces or 100 meters, and it says no dye lot. So inside, it has the information about the person that dyed the yarn this month. And they mentioned, you know, that, yeah, the theme was Mexico. So now it says, now arriving in Mexico, introducing May yarn of the month, the Cinco de Mayo, a fun homage to the colorful festival in Mexico. This beautiful sparkle triple twist DK weight silk yarn, and it's soft. You don't feel the sparkles. This beautiful sparkle triple twist DK weight silk yarn features warm orange and yellow tones to embody the summer heat, rich hues like the vibrant buildings you'll pass as you explore, and a fun sparkle twist to represent the magic of a summer night in Mexico. So that's the yellow in there, I guess, that they're referring to. Meet Hazra. Hazra has been working with Darn Good Yarn since 2020, focusing on your twist and signature silk yarns. Your subscription allows us to continue supporting women like Hazra every day with clean working conditions and livable wages. And they mentioned that these yarns are made from reclaimed silk saris over in India. It also came with a booklet. In the booklet, they include a coupon for 35% off your next purchase, and also a QR code with the code for you can get a free pattern for the month. It also, ooh, that's pretty. It also includes a printout of 2 patterns, 1 knit, 1 crochet. The crochet pattern for this month, which they usually do a good job of doing the patterns that match with the yarn that you got for the box. This one's a magic ladder shawl. It says it takes 2 to 3 cakes of the DK Darn Good Yarn weight yarn. So that's real quick what it looks like. And they have pictures of how to make the shawl, which is pretty cool. And then they have a knit pattern of that same shawl. Yeah. So that's very cool. Is it by the same designer? Yes, it is. So it's the designer's Maya Chung, and it says you can find her at @myyarn.art. And it says here, oh yeah, and the gift of this month was a little doll. It's really cute. I have no idea what I can do with this. I'm not really into dolls. So I'm not like a huge fan of the gift this month. It is a really little cute, intricate doll, but yeah, I really don't know what to do with it. So if you guys have any ideas or you want it, let me know. It says now arriving in Mexico, which is this part here of the booklet. Oh, maybe it's a little worry doll. Sparkle DK weight recycled yarn. Okay, it's pretty much the same thing that it said that I just read to you in the little pamphlet thing. It says a festival sparkle weight yarn representing the next leg of our wanderlust journey, Mexico. So for this year, every yarn for the month has a different theme of a different country location. Kind of like if you were traveling to those locations. And the little doll says, don't worry, be happy. This month's freebie is less project focused, but designed to help keep the worries away from our crafty club. These handmade worry dolls were artisan crafted in Mexico and unique to you, designed to help you sleep soundly and keep those worries away. So I'm going to put her next to my bed nightstand, and I'm going to see if she works. Put her to work there. So yeah, so I figured I'd show you real quick because I have my current make right next to me. So I'm testing a cardigan pattern, and it's going quite well. So this is what I have so far. I can't really talk about it or show too much about it, but... And I already finished my golden color cotton top this week, but the pattern hasn't been released yet, so I can't really talk about it too much. And the yarn that I'm using for this is the Big Twist Color Beige. They're heather yarn, so it's actually my first time using the Big Twist heather yarn. It's 380 yards, a category weight for yarn. I think it's machine wash, lay flat to dry, their usual that says that, and they recommend a size US H8 5mm crochet hook, and it's 380 yards, 6 ounces, or 347 meters, 170 grams, if I didn't say that already. I'm working on, I do have that right here. I finished that first square for the blanket that I'm working on for Tiffany Hansen's Crochet Along for the blanket 2024, and this is my second square that I'm working on. I still haven't decided if I'm going to make it Halloween themed for the blanket, for my color theme. I can't remember what this stitch is called. Plowwood Seed, maybe? Or if I'm going to make it rainbow themed. And this one is the Cheerful DK Hirschner's Yarn DK Weight Anti-Pilling. It's categorized a DK3 lightweight yarn, recommended US 4mm knitting needles or an H8 5mm hook. I'm using a 4.5mm hook because I couldn't find an ergonomic 4.25 hook that I liked. And this is the colorway Tiger. It's the specs there. Machine wash and lay flat to dry. I think I said it. 100 grams or 273 yards, 250 meters. Yeah. Yeah, I took out the other square from my bag, from my project bag. And this is my warm-up, one of my Warm-Up America tote bags. Great organization. They're a charity nonprofit organization that sends, where you can do crochet or knit items, and they tell you which different places in the U.S. have need those items. You can send it to them or make the squares, and then they send it off to the places that need it, or you can contribute locally and then just let them know, and they have a lot of different drives going on for what's needed. And I talked about this. The other thing, I have some yarn that I had ordered from overseas, my first time ordering from the UK, from Ophelia Talks. So I'll probably do a yarn boxing of that yarn haul pretty soon. I got like this yarn pack, and I also bought the cotton acrylic yarn to do her Venice cardigan that she is releasing soon. And I also just saw that Hooked by Robin is doing a festival festival blanket crochet along that looks really cool. It has like happy faces and rainbows and swirls and all in those type of different squares. So I actually want to do that. So, okay, folks. Thanks. Have a good night. Bye.